Hello, my students. Today is Monday, 27th July 2020. Topic: Don't get lost. Performance: Identify vocabulary, page 40. Okay, I need that you open your notebook and copy this vocabulary and a small picture that represent the main idea. Okay? Go out. You draw, please. Draw. Go out. Vocabulary. Turn right. Turn left. On the left. Look the girl on the left. On the right. One block is like this. Lo que nosotros llamamos manzana. One block. Okay, you need to draw, please, the vocabulary in your notebook. When you finish that, you copy this vocabulary in your notebook, please open your book, page 40, and identify the places. No los identificamos, ¿ok? No los dibujamos, it's not necessary. Gas station, hotel, school, city hall, supermarket, train stations, post office, gym, park, and museum. Okay, this is the activity for today. Only identify the directions and the places on the map. Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Please copy and draw the ideas. Hay que tener en cuenta este dibujo en especial, cuando nos indican cuál es la izquierda y cuál es la derecha. ¿Ok? On the map. Para que después lo podamos identificar sobre el mapa. ¿Ok? And this look block. You 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. I give you other video about the direction in this class. Okay. Watch them, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.